A very great day in out of focus territory. Gotta pay a $75 parking violation because my plate was expired. Let's see. Expired registration, expiration date 7/22, and it is, yeah, 2 months expired. But who cares? Just peel this off, paint it green. No, I can't do that. Let's take a look at what we got back here. So I got the Liqui Moly, best oil to use in any German car. So we're gonna slap this in there today. Let's look at that tuck. Gotta stick the blocks of wood under the tires so I can jack up the car. I ended up getting it. It's not high enough to get the jack under, and once I get the jack under, I can lift this thing up to do the oil. Once I got it jacked up over here, I put the jack on this jack stand on this side. Jacked it up from the middle, and I put a jack stand on the other side. I'm gonna crack her loose, and then eventually it'll be loose enough to turn by hand. Oh, fuck, that's hot. Nice oil filter socket. This shouldn't be on there too tight. Throw this out. Actually, just put it in the box. Always by hand. Start the threads. Snug her up. And let her drink. The lighting on this thing sucks, but it's pretty low. Alright, we'll end it off with a little BMX trick real quick. Just maybe one or two.